Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, March 5th, 2024. So we finally saw some bears. It's kind of strange, but in any case, I was kind of under thinking that once we got down to this 50.94, that we were going to see buyers step in, or at a minimum see some shorts or bears start to cover, just because we have the economic data starts tomorrow, and it's probably going to be market moving. So I was kind of shocked when we took that out. And then you can see here, this is one of the first times we've seen this in a while, where we broke support and then it was used as resistance and came down. So now we're at the important support right here, where you can see it buyers did step in towards the end of the day, and I really didn't think we were going to get down here, but here we are. But in any case, they stepped in last 15 minutes, really drove it up. I think this was, any bears where we're just taking profits heading into, tomorrow's ADP numbers. But again, now this is going to be pretty important, because every time we've had these types of moves, the bulls have just brought it right back up again. So the main thing that I've been looking for, any type of changing of the guard from bullish to bearish, would be when we break support and then it's used as resistance and we take the support out. So this is really, really important right here. You have the 50.56, you have the 50.47, and then the 50.36. This is really, if the bulls lose this, we're coming all the way down into the 49.50, and it's probably going to be in a very, very fast manner, because there's no support here. This was your gap up. There was a gap down here. So this is going to be taken out real quick if the bears can get through this. Again, they've failed every time. So I am not a believer in this market as far as where we are, how we got here, but it is what it is. So, until the bears can prove that they're going to come out and play, then, that's it. Right now, we have to see what happens tomorrow, because you can see the moving averages starting to come, but we've seen that before, where they were coming and then the bulls went up, used it as support, and then that was the end of it. They failed every time. So until the bears can say, hey, you know what, we mean business, this is resistance, we're going to try and defend it and then take it lower, then we could start saying, okay, this might be an important top here. So we know we had, excuse me, throat has been killing me. We know we had sell signals on the daily charts. We know we have sell signals on the 60-minute charts. And now, like I said, if this gets taken out, the next really line in the sand is going to be where the gap is. That's also kind of coinciding with the 200-day moving average right around that 49.94. So this will be an air pocket that I believe, if they lose this line, the support here, where we're going to be going. Now, if the bulls get above this, the 50.96, we have it. Now there's some resistance levels here. Then you have the 51.12, and then the open gap at 51.27. So this is what they got to get through to then come up and challenge these highs or break them before the bears take out these lows. So these are our boundaries. That's all we need to know, because whoever wins it is, if the bulls win, then we're coming up testing the highs or breaking them. If the bears win, then we're going to have the test of the 49.78. And they haven't, this is a pretty good size move down, something that the bulls have not seen in quite some time. So we do have some buy signals here, so made sense with this little bounce. We have to wait and see what the GDP numbers, the ADP numbers. If the street likes them, then we're going to come up and test this resistance. If they don't, then these buy signals will be ignored, and we're going to start testing these support levels. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Enjoy your night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.